Hello students. So I would like to uh, do some of the questions given in the tutorial, that is tutorial on microprocessor 8086 microprocessor buses and signals. So the tutorial on this is I think a module which is module 5, uh, basically on microprocessor pins and signals. So you have some tutorial questions which asks you to identify the number of machine cycles required, right? Okay, so those questions are not difficult questions. All are easy questions, right? Okay, I'll try to solve one or two questions. Hope you understand this. Okay, you have uh, a question. Say move, move ax comma, ax comma bx plus 1000 h. So this is the instruction given to you. Okay, this is the instruction given to you. Now what is the number of machine cycles required by 8086 microprocessor to execute this, right? Now what is required first of all is the machine code for this. First you require machine code. So you know how to convert this machine code using tables. You can convert this into machine code. You have done this. Okay, so I will directly write the machine code corresponding to this. Machine code corresponding to this is 8B 870010. 8B870010. Okay, so this is the machine code. Fine. Okay, now see here what this instruction does. This instruction copies the content of the memory location with the offset address equal to content of bx plus a scaled value, 1000h, right? Now here there is a memory read happening, right? There is a memory read happening. Okay, that is memory read of data is happening here, right? Okay, so now let us see how many machine cycles it requires. Okay, now for opcode fetch, how many machine cycle is required for opcode fetch? Okay, so for opcode fetch, how many machine cycles are required? See, this 16-bit data will be read in one machine cycle. This another 16-bit is read in the another machine cycle. So totally for opcode fetch you need 2 machine cycle, right? So for opcode fetch you need 2 machine cycle. Similarly, this instruction has a memory read, right? So the data has to be read from the memory. Hope you are understanding this, right? So data has to be read from the memory. So there is a memory read, right? There is a memory read. Data has to be read from the memory. So there is a memory read in this. So you need data read. Okay, so data read is 1 machine cycle. Data read is 1 machine cycle, right? Hope you are understanding this. So total number of machine cycles required now for this is going to be 3 machine cycle. This plus this, 3 machine cycles. Hope you are understanding this. So let us take another question. us take another question. Another question will be move ax comma bx plus si plus 1000 h. See here. Right? This is base press indexed. Now once again, what is required is a machine code. You require a machine code for this. So the machine code need to be converted. The machine code for this is, what is the machine code? It is 8B. I'll directly write the machine code here. 8B 800010. Now tell me how many machine cycles are required for opcode fetch in this? How many machine cycles are required for opcode fetch? Opcode fetch, you require one machine cycle for this 16-bit, another machine cycle for this 16-bit. So opcode fetch, how many machine cycle required? So for opcode fetch, you require 2 machine cycle. Similarly, there is a memory read here. What this instruction does? This instruction reads content from the memory and copies it to X register. So there is a memory read. Okay. So there is a data read from the memory. There is a data read from memory. You require one machine cycle. Only you require how many machine cycles for this? You require 3 machine cycle. Hope you understood this. Okay. Similarly, let us do one more question. Okay, let's do one more question. Move, okay, si comma cl, right? So what it does, content of the cl register is now written into the memory, right? So whose address is available in the si register, right? Okay, so now what is the machine code for this? The machine code for this is equal to machine code for this is 880C. Okay, machine code for this is 880C, right? So now for opcode fetch, okay, how many machine cycles are required? For opcode fetch, how many machine cycles are required? So for opcode fetch, you require one machine cycle, right? And see here, now you can see there is a data write operation, right? There is a data write operation, so it is written into the memory. There is a memory write operation, so there is memory write operation is there. So you need how many machine cycle? For this you need one machine cycle. One machine cycle. Right? So totally you need two machine cycle. Right? Hope you are understanding this. So data is moved from CL register, okay, to a memory location whose address is there in the SI register. That means there is a memory write here, right? There is a memory write. There is no memory data read here. There is only memory write here. Okay, so it requires two machine cycle. Okay, so like this you can do different questions. Okay.